examples. Okay, again on De Morgan's theorem, we see for example, if sin p plus sin q plus sin r equal to 0, this also equals to cos p plus cos q plus cos r 0. Okay, given to you sin p plus sin q plus sin r equal to 0, as well as cos p plus cos q plus cos r equal to 0. Then show that cos 3p plus cos of 3q plus cos of 3r equals to 3 times cos of p plus q plus r, as well as sin 3p plus sin 3q plus sin 3r equals to 3 outside sin of p plus q plus r. Is that problem? Of course, De Morgan's theorem. Solution. So given to you, if sin p plus sin q plus sin r equal to 0, similarly cos p plus cos q plus cos r equal to 0, this is given to you. Then okay, we have to show this like 3 times. This power will be 3. Here somewhere about PQR. Let A, suppose small a is a cos p plus I sin p. B suppose is for Q, cos q plus I sin q. Cos plus I sin, according to De Morgan's theorem, cos theta plus I sin theta raised to power n. So cos plus I sin p, q or r, c suppose r, cos of r plus I sin r. Okay, so this is A, B, C. Okay. Now, if we add, suppose A plus B plus C, addition. So A plus B plus C, so cos addition. Suppose one bracket cos P plus cos Q plus cos R in a one bracket, real part, imaginary part, sin P plus sin Q plus sin R. Okay, so this is 0 given to you. This is also 0 given to you. This total 0. So what you get? A plus B plus C is 0. A plus B plus C is 0. If A, B, C are this like that. Now, okay, what should I prove? So this like proof. I think we know one formula in mathematics. Okay. I think polynomial chapter. AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3ABC, factor formula in I think 8th class. Okay, factor formula AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3ABC equals to, factors are A plus B plus C, one factor, and second factor is A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC and minus CA. Okay, this is like a factor formula high school level. Okay, now here A plus B plus C is 0. A plus B plus C is okay, 0. This same. So 0 into A into 0. So here we get AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus thrice ABC equal to 0. That means what? A cube plus B cube plus C cube equals to 3ABC. Now also I think this is converted to e raised to power exponential function by Euler's theorem. Cos p plus I sin p e raised to power ip. This is e raised to power I cube angle. This is e raised to power I r. Because multiple, okay. Exponential easily we can solve. A cube, B cube, C cube. A we know. Cos p plus I sin p raised to power 3. B means cos q plus I sin q raised to power 3. C means cos r plus I sin r raised to power 3. And right side 3 times ABC. This cos p, or we can use here e raised to power ip, e raised to power iq, e raised to power ir, because multiple. Okay, so multiple index law, we have the index law in a multiple, in a sin cos. Keep your problem in solve. Now raised to power 3 by De Morgan's theorem. We have the De Morgan's theorem. So by De Morgan's theorem, so this is cos of 3p plus I sin 3p. Also here by De Morgan's theorem, cos of 3q plus I sin 3q. Also here De Morgan's theorem, cos of 3r plus I sin 3r. Okay, De Morgan's theorem. Right side now, index law 3 times e raised to power I is common, p plus q plus r, index law, and left side by De Morgan's theorem, DMT. Now here, so I take cos term in a one bracket, cos of 3p plus cos of 3q plus cos of 3r, cos of 3p plus cos of 3q plus cos of 3r, real part in a one bracket, imaginary term other bracket. Similarly sin 3p, sin 3q and sin 3r. Now right side e raised to power I theta, again now convert to trigonometry. E raised to power I theta cos theta plus I sin theta, that means it equals. So cos of p plus q plus r plus I times sin of p plus q plus r. Now compare. First cos result and second sin result. So comparing real part and imaginary part. So real part, first of all, so cos of 3p plus cos of 3q plus cos of 3r equals to 3 times cos of p plus q plus r. Okay, so real part, imaginary part, I containing sin of 3p plus sin of 3q plus sin 3r equals to 3 times sin of p plus q plus r. So it's like answer. Okay, so problems on De Morgan's theorems. last part. Now other topic is an application now. This is all the problems directly on the De Morgan's theorems. Now applications. Application of De Morgan's theorem. Applications. So first of all, we have these angles are sin 0, 0, cos 0, 1, sin 90, 1, and cos 90, 0. So then we have what happens, every one expressed as cos 0 plus I sin 0, every one cos 0 1 sin 0 0, therefore 1 will be cos 0. Hmm. 90, every I cos 91, so cos 90 0, cos 90 0, and sin 91, so every I will be expressed as this, like here. Now also minus 1, you know, cos pi is minus 1, cos pi is minus 1. Every minus 1 means cos pi, cos present, cos pi plus I sin pi, cos pi minus 1, sin pi 0, so cos 0 1, sin 0, therefore cos pi, and minus I minus I also here, in place of plus I then plus I, minus I then minus I, we know, so cos 90 minus I sin 90, plus I and plus I, and sin both 1 and minus 1. So every one cos 0 1, cos 90, cos pi is minus 1. We use for one standard every standard relations. One is expressed as like minus 1 expressed as is like I then I minus I then minus I. These are 4 relations, standard relation. Okay, in mathematics we need in this topic. Also we want one periodic function. Periodic function. Periodic function, okay, with period t, suppose. So first one, we definition. A function f is said to be periodic with period. Suppose period of that function, suppose capital T will be the period of that function. If, what is condition? So any function f is said to be periodic function with period t, capital T. If condition f of x plus t will be f of x, same. F of x plus t will be f of x. F of x plus t will be f of x. For example, f of x is suppose sin x. Sin x or cos x. x plus 2 pi suppose. X plus 2 pi. Okay. Sine of x plus 2 pi. So x plus 2 pi, sine x not same, remains same. Okay. X plus 2 pi, same trigonometry. 2 pi means 1 around 360. Okay. X plus 2 pi will be sine x. So 20 positive 2 pi. Also x plus 4 pi, sine of x plus 4 pi. Also sine x. Also sine x. Same. And so on in this way. Okay. So general sine. So sine every x, okay, will be equals to sine of x plus, okay, 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi, so many pi. That is therefore 2 pi k in general. K equal to any 1, 2, 3 and so on. K equal to 1, s plus 2 pi sin x, s plus 4 pi sin x, okay, s plus 6 pi sin x. Okay, so 2 pi k, every sin x, s place as x plus 2 pi k. So 2 pi k we can add in the sin. Also for cos. Also for cos. So cos of x, every cos of x will be expressed as cos of x plus 4 pi 2 pi k x plus 2 pi k. So every sin cos, okay, function expressed as, okay, s plus 2 pi k and cos of s plus 2 pi k. Remember this. Okay, let's go. So no problems, okay, on this. Applications. Here, this is the question. Find all the values of minus I raised to the power 1 by 6, 32 raised to the power 1 by 5, okay. So these values are, and all the values means how many values? Okay, 1 by 6 means 6 value. 1 by 5 means 5 values. 1 by n. That's okay. Fraction application. So first, let x, suppose x is minus I raised to the power 1 by 6. I want 6 values. Total 6 values. 1 by 6 means. Okay. Now minus I, you know, just think. Minus I is expressed as, okay, cos 90 minus I sin 90, because cos 90 is 0 and sin 90 1, minus I to minus I, so minus I minus I. So every minus I expressed in terms of sin cos, expressed in terms of always sin cos, because Univers theorem in a sin cos. Okay, Univers in a sin cos. Now I want 1 by 6 values. Only here 1 values, but I want a 6 values. So I want their k. I want their k must be introduced. Their k running from 0 onward. Okay. So just periodic function, sin cos are periodic function. Therefore we can add 2 pi k, pi by 2 plus 2 pi k. We can add in its cos as well as sin. So 2 pi k we can add in the sin and cos, any angle. Okay, cos of theta plus 2 pi k, theta plus 2 pi k. One more step we have to apply. De Morgan's theorem. Pi by 2 plus so 2 will be LCM. Pi plus 2 into 2 pi k, 4 pi k minus I sin 2 will be LCM. Pi plus 2 into 2, 4 pi k. Now De Morgan's theorem. Apply De Morgan's theorem. 1 by 6. So cos of 1 by 6 and 1 by 2 here. So pi plus 2 pi k. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 6, 1 by 12. Cos of n theta. Similarly, minus I sin pi plus 4 pi k. 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So this is because of De Morgan's theorem, DMT in short. Okay. Now I want values are. I want how many? 6 values. 1 by 6. So starting from 0. Okay. Put here k running from start with 0. Start with 0. So 0 onward up to high value 6 values I want is up to 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 values. Starting from 0. Don't start from 1. Starting from 0. 6 values now. Put here 1 by 1. So let k equal to 0. So first value, suppose f0. So k equal to 0. This term will be okay. 0 is pi by 12 cos of pi by 12 plus I sin pi by 12 k equal to 1. x1 suppose cos of k equal to 1 means 4 pi plus 1 pi 5 pi by 12 I sin 5 pi by 12. Sorry, no plus, dictate there minus this. K equals to 2. x2 cos of k is 2 means this is 8 plus 1 9 pi by 12 minus I sin 9 pi by 12, or this is same as 9 pi by 12, 3 cancel, 3 times go here 4 times, 3 pi by 4 minus I sin 3 pi by 4. K is 3, x3 suppose cos of k is 3, 12 into 4 pi into 3, 12 plus 1, 13 pi by 12 minus I sin 13 pi by 12. K is 4, x4 cos of k is 4 into 4, 16 plus 1, 17 pi by 12 minus I sin 17 pi by 12. And last, k is 5, x 5 cos of 5 means 20 plus 1, 21 pi by 12 minus I sin 21 pi by 12. This is same as 7 cos of 7 pi by 4. 3, 7 times 3, 4 times minus I sin 7 pi by 4. So this like values are just only k running from. Start with 0 only. I want to take 6 values. Start from 0 values. 6 values up to 100. k equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, is it 6 5? So many values you can find, all the values, all possible values of that terms. Next, B part. Same technique, please. So let x suppose is what? 32 raised to power 1 by 5. Means what? 32 is 2 raised to power 5. 32 is 2 raised to power 5 into 1 by 5. 2 raised to power 5, 1 raised to power 5, 1 by 5, and 1 raised to power 1 by 5 separate index law. So this cancel. Only here 2. So it is a 2 times 1 raised to power 1 by 5. So 1 by 5, I need 5 values. That will get here, answer is a 2 only. 32 is 2 raised to power 5 and 1 by 5. 5 cancel. Only 2 is one answer. 2. But I want here 5 values are. This is application of De Morgan's theorem. That answer only 2 is one of the answer. Okay. But application of De Morgan's theorem, we can find here 5 values, not only 2. Is one of the answer. The other 4 again answers. And this is the application of De Morgan's theorem. Continue. So 1, you know, 1 means again in theory, 1 means cos 0 plus I sin 0. Cos 0 1 and sin 0 0. Therefore 1, every 1 expressed as base like. Now in terms of k, 2 pi k are must, because sin and cos are periodic functions. So cos of 0 is expressed as 0 plus 2 pi k I sin 0 plus 2 pi k. Okay, periodic function. Now 0 plus means same, cos of 2 pi k plus I sin 2 pi k raised to power 1 by 5. Raised to power 1 by 5, De Morgan's theorem apply. So cos of 2 pi k into 1 by 5 is upon 5 plus I sin 2 pi k upon 5. Okay, this is the key. I want here values, 5 values starting from 0, always here running from 0 onward. 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. I want 5 values. Is up to 4 because starting from 0, starting from 1 then up to 5. Okay, so put 1 by 1 here. K equal to 0, first value. Suppose say x0, 2 times cos of k equal to 0 means this 0, cos 0. Also this k 0 is 0. Cos 0, I sin 0, 1, standard. So 2. So 2 is one of the values of the 5 values, one answer. Other 4 answer is the application. K equal to 1, k equal to 1, 2 pi by 5. I sin 2 pi by 5. K equal to 2. X2. 2 times. K is 2. 2 into 2, 2 pi, 4 pi. 4 pi by 5. I sin 4 pi by 5. K is 3. X3. Cos of k is 3. 3 into 2, 6 pi by 5. I sin 6 pi by 5. Last k equal to 4 x4 2 times cos of k is 4 8 pi by 5 plus I sin 8 pi by 5 and complete. Okay, so running k values are k running from 0 to 5 values k start करने का 0 1 2 3 4 5 respective values all values are these are the 5 values.